guys, this is Kawanjong. Okay guys, today I got here Panasonic AG-UX90 4K professional video camera. I got this one from B&H. Okay, let's see what's inside. It's brand new. So when you open it, very be careful. Don't put the knife all the way in. Very be careful, okay? Wow. That is very nice package. You see, double package. Wow. Look at this. What is the professional? You see, that's the difference, you know. Unbelievable, you know. This is very good. I like it. So yesterday I have another Sony camera, video camera. That's the HD. So this is the 4K. So I need two different video cameras. So this one's much better for the low lights and something like a wedding party, birthday party, like that. Okay, let's see what's inside. Oh, there you go. Yeah, this is for the camera, the eye cover. This is the charger, wire. This one for the microphone. It goes here, microphone holder. I think. Wow, look at this. This is very beautiful. You see, this comes with two chargers. This is the battery charger. So you can charge two battery at same time. One here, one here, which is nice. I like that. It's very nice. Very nice. So I have my Sony. Sony doesn't comes with the two chargers, or it only comes with only one chargers. Okay, but it's okay. Okay, this is the AC adapter. The camera charger. Alright, this one goes to here. I think this is the battery. Yeah, this is the battery. Yeah, this is the battery. So I got another extra battery too. This battery is very good for 6 hours. 6 hours. And okay, we're gonna finish this one. So now I'm gonna show you the next one. Okay, this is the menu, the instruction. So this is yeah, I don't need this one. Just keep it. Whoa, this is very nice. Okay, let me open it. Okay, one second. This is the 4K. It's very nice. Look at this. Wow. Wow, this is heavy too. Yeah, this feels very high quality, you know. Yes, it feels very high quality. I like it. And the microphones goes here. If you can see it. Yeah, microphone goes here, and another microphone goes right here at the bottom. Oh, this is very nice. I love it, man. And this is the screen. You're gonna pull it out and go inside. Okay. The 15 optical zoom, and that is the zoom too. You see, zoom in, zoom out, and another zoom control here. The record, this is the record button, and one record button on the top as well, I think, right here. This is record too also. Okay, this lock, wow, it's very good. And another, you see, the record mode here. Okay, it has 3 remote, you see, three different buttons to record. One here, one here, one here, and 2 controls. And then you see a lot of holes there, so it goes here, lights and
So this camera is targeting which type of users? For purpose, so ENG, wedding, and documentary. So we use this purpose.
Monitors, everything goes up here, and a speaker holder goes here. It goes here, so I have to put here. So it comes with box. Okay, comes with your camera. Actually, I like this much better. Yeah, this is more expensive too. Okay, now I have here the tripod. Okay, let me see. Okay, this is the one. This comes with a case. This is the tripod. So I'm gonna show you how it looks like. Yeah, this one, this comes out, then this one you need to put in the camera. Actually, this piece of this one always stay with your camera. Then so if you once you put here, then it's very easily removed. Yeah, this is the metal. Very nice. Okay, let me see now. This goes with my camera, good or not. And everything purchased from BNA chargers, battery. I mean, the extra battery. So this battery is about 180 and blood tax, and this battery I can take like 6 hours. I can share the video. So up to 6 hours. This one is very good battery. So this is my lens protection. La Jolla, this is the company. The lens filter. Yeah, this is very good. I got this one from the B&H Alexa Professional. So if you're looking for the SD card for the 4K shoot, so you must have to have this kind of memory card. Okay, and I have 2 difference here, you see. So this one is no good for 4K, but it says here 4K, you see, but this is slow, this class 10.3 class 10.3 and V30. So this one is the 10.3 10 UV3 V60. So for the 4K you need to looking for this one, the speed. This is the speed. So 150, the minimum you need 150 megabyte per second to shoot the 4K. So this one is actually only 95, you see. So but this is not very good. You need a little bit higher than this number. So this is very good. I highly recommend this one. And this one made in Korea, I think. Let me see. Yeah, this is made in Korea. But this brand is better actually. The Tencent. So this brand is better, but this is good. But this is good for the 4K shoot. So if you wanna shoot the HD, so this is okay. This is perfect. This is okay. All right. Okay, this is. I'm gonna put the memory card to my Panasonic 4K. This is brand new. I just got it. So this is the memory card you need to shoot the 4K. 150 megabyte per second. Okay, so I'm gonna put the memory card. So you can put two memory card here, one here, one here. So this is number one, this is number two. So I'm gonna put here, close it, and I just put the battery here. Okay, let's start it. So I never open it, so this is my first time. Just pull up this screen and you can turn it. I don't know, you see, turn on, turn off. You need to do here, right here. Okay, set time. So now I have to set up everything. Okay. Oh, it's okay. No. Alright guys, that's it. Okay, link below description. So how to buy this one, you can buy from there, so I get some commission as well. Thank you very much for your watching. I'll see you in my next video. Please subscribe. Thank you very much.